A journey expedition, you don't know what you're missing. Inside of this expedition, we're on a mission.
Yeah. You see that? You see that?
Somebody say, oh shit!
Oh shit!
Say, oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Yeah, judge it. Can I get one touch? No, fuck that. JD doubles it up. Can I get two touches? Easy to fall victim to lust. So raise your lighters in the sky. Respect the iron Selassie. Hold up, grown up, what? Grown up Coco Tie. See me? Yo. All the crew, we're just mixing up the mixer right now, fixing it up, deal with it. It's been 2 days, no sleep, but we're here. 3 days, length, last one. Remember, Cutting Edge Festival coming up soon. Big up TorontoJungle.com, big up Dubplate Special over there. You wanna cop some gear, go check out my brethren for real. Big up SS, all the UK crew inside right now. Make the flight down each and every year to be with y'all and respect wealth and respect drum and bass, electronic music, house, breaks, no matter where you come from, no matter what you do. It's all about the music. It's peace, love, unity, respect. I don't care how fucking old you get, how gangster you are. If you're here, you live those values once in your life. Peace, love, unity, respect those who respect you and respect your motherfucking self. First and foremost, everything in moderation. I ain't a preacher, I ain't a teacher. I'm just telling you through fucking years of doing this shit, man. So yo, if you want some more, say yeah!
Hey, Reverend JD now.
Hey man, I ain't a reverend. I'm Punjabi, motherfucker. I'm Punjabi.
You just went from here up to here, dog.
The fucking Reverend, that's what he is.
Reverend JD.
Yo, sound technician, we almost set up. We almost fixed up.